Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the Vast Secret Organic Space. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make a facial serum. Yes, facial serum, it's very important in our skincare routine. That is what you apply before you actually apply your facial moisturizer. And facial serum helps to soften your face. It helps to add in moisture to your face. It helps to target pigmentations. It helps to target acne. It helps to target dark spots because this is a raw product. It's not like a facial cream that is packed with oils, stearic acid, and other stuff. So this is pure serum, and it helps to target dark spots, blemishes, pigmentation. Yes guys, so let me introduce to you my ingredients which I'll be using to make this facial serum, and I'm still going to leave the names of my ingredients below my description box, so guys, go and check it out. So before you actually start watching any video from my channel or from any channel, make sure to go to the description box because there they have so many informations about the video that you are actually watching, so that you can gain more knowledge. So guys, I'm going to introduce to you the things that I will be using to make my facial serum. So guys, this is our niacinamide powder. We are going to be using 5% niacinamide powder. And here I have my hyaluronic acid, and I'm using 1% of my hyaluronic acid powder. And here I have my arbutin powder. I will be using 2% of my arbutin powder. So arbutin powder is a lightening powder that targets spots, pigmentation, and acne, including the niacinamide powder. So this helps to lighten the skin, target spots, pigmentation, and all that. And for the hyaluronic acid, this helps to add moisture to your skin. It helps to give this plumpiness on our skin. So, and also we have our rice extract. Yes, this is also going to soft our skin. It's going to plump our skin. And we are also going to add calamine, sorry guys, I'm pronouncing I'm actually calling it in German language. So we are going to add our chamomile extracts, and here we have our tea tree essential oil. This is for acne scars. And we have our grapefruit essential oil. This is for acne scars. And here we have our witch hazel. This is also for acne scars. And we are going to use our rose water. So we are also going to add in our aloe vera gel. So we have our glycerin, and we have our emulsifier. So we are also going to be adding water to this formulation. So guys, make sure to watch from the starting to the ending, and so that you can understand the basic of how I'm going to formulate this facial serum. So guys, let's start. So guys, this is our hyaluronic acid. We are going to dissolve it using our glycerin. Yes, we are going to dissolve with our glycerin, and you give it a good mix, and we are going to keep this aside to fully dissolve. So we are keeping this aside, and we are going to start with other measurements, and we are going to start with our liquid phase, our water phase. So we are going to measure out our water. So I'm going to leave all the measurements below my description box. Don't worry guys, I'm going to leave the measurement below my description box. Okay, so we are going to measure out. This is a witch hazel. So this is our rose water. So this is 80 gram. So the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to pour in our whitening powders, um which is the niacinamide powder and the alpha arbutin powder. So we are going to allow this to dissolve, and I'll be back once it's fully dissolved. I'll be back, guys. So guys, this has fully dissolved. You can see the water is white now, so the water is pure, and I'm going to be adding in my aloe vera gel to this. Okay, and I'm also going to add in my chamomile extract. Okay, and I'll be adding in my rice protein. So and all you have to do is to mix it together. So if you have your whisker, your little mini whisker, you can use your whisker to incorporate all together. So I'm going to be using my whisker to mix it together, but don't worry, let's keep going. So this has fully dissolved, guys. So we are going to be adding in our hyaluronic acid that we dissolve with our glycerin. So now we are going to add in our hyaluronic acid. Wow. So I think I'm going to take a little from here and really whisk it well. So the hyaluronic acid is also going to act as a thickener. This is going to thicken our facial serum. Yes, guys, it's going to gel our facial serum. So I think it's time for me to whisk it. I'll be back. So we are going to use our hand whisker to whisk this together. So this is actually going to mix it together. If your spoon cannot do it well, then you have to get your hand mixer to actually mix everything together, guys. So guys, it has fully dissolved now because we actually used our hand mixer to dissolve it better. So now I'm going to be adding in my essential oil. This is tea tree essential oil. So if you have acne, make sure to get tea tree essential oil at home. If you're facing acne scars, make sure to get tea tree essential oil at home. And I'm also going to add in my grapefruit essential oil, and I'm adding in just three drop each. So we are going to give it a good mix, and we are going to add in our preservative because this is a water-based product. You really need to preserve this. So what we are going to do is to measure out our preservative, and I'm using 1% preservative. Okay. Okay. This is my 1% preservative, and we are going to give it a good stir. You can see how our Lorena. So this is it, guys. Give it a good mix. So you can add your vitamin E oil to this. If you want to add vitamin E oil, so you actually need to add your emulsifier, because if you add your vitamin E oil direct to this product, the oil and the water is not really going to emulsify. They are not going to be combined together. So if you want to add vitamin E oil to this, then you can add your liquid emulsifier. So we have to mix in all our ingredients together, both the preservative, the essential oils. So guys, if you're making yours, it is very important that you include essential oils to your facial serum. If you're targeting dark spots, pigmentation, and acne, so it is very important that you include essential oils in your facial serum. So this is it, guys. Let me show you how it looks like. Don't know if you can see this. So now we are going to pour this into our our jar or our containers. Don't know. So I'm just going to pour this in. Okay. So we are going to buckle this up and apply in our what is it called? So guys, this is it. We are going to apply our labels, and this is the facial serum that we made. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, our facial serum is ready, and this is going to the market. So if you want to purchase my handmade products, you are free to purchase. You can go and purchase it on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link below my description box, and also you can write me up if you want to purchase from me direct. And this is it, guys. This is our facial serum. This is going to help to moisture your skin, take out pigmentations from your skin, take out pimples from your skin. This is going to help to take out pigmentation, melasma, dark spot, everything for your face. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you soon in my other next video. Bye bye.